So that's the door to my apartment, and that's my view. It's so beautiful, and this is the apartment. Good morning. So I'll be giving you an apartment tour of the Airbnb I stayed in Kotor. This is the entrance of the building. This is me. So this is my apartment. This is my box. Basically, that's the bean bag and pizza I had yesterday. The fridge is faulty, so they told me to use an old towel, basically to mop the floor. So once you enter into the kitchen. Yeah, so this is what the kitchen looks like. I like the wooden floor. I like the chairs. I like the sheer curtains as well. And this is the living area. I think it's a sofa bed because of that, but I mean, I didn't get to use it. It's pretty. That's the center table and that poof. And the TV, I have no idea why it's so high, but yeah, this is it. That's my room, and this is the bathroom. So it's a bit wet because I had my bath earlier. Basically, this is the bathroom. It has a mirror. You know, it has this storage thing, towel rack. This is the sink. I was not a fan of the shower curtain, to be honest. And yeah, basically, this is what the bathroom looks like. Into the living area, we're going to get into my room. So basically, this is my room. It's a simple room. It's just the bed, the chair curtain, and the wardrobes. I really love this. And guess what? I had the most amazing view. Yeah, just look at that. It's so beautiful. You can literally see the water and the mountains. I love it so much. It came with iron, hair dryer, some towels. Yeah, I also like that it has this mirrored wardrobe cover, so I could check myself out when I was done dressing. And this is the other side. It has some hangers on the ironing board. So yeah, basically that's it. This is the room. My favorite thing is the curtains and like the view. So that's pretty much it of my apartment tour in Kotor. I'm going to leave the price here. If you want the link to the apartment, let me know. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.